you come down of that chief ministership in the year 2028. You have 3 years to make sure that the rights of the Aceh people are protected. You have 3 years to make sure that the land of the Aceh people are protected. And you have 3 years to make sure that the culture of the Aceh people are protected. And you have 3 years, Mr. Conrad Sangma, to ensure that these Bengal who are staying in Bengal should be detected and deported to their place of origin. I saw one video. But my brothers and sisters of Garhwals, the Aceh, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that. You have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHDC today. Because he knows the Aceh people will not vote for the NPP in the GHDC election. That is why we have to take a decision to fool the Aceh people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, my Aceh brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of this SENG and Sangma. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been chased out of their house in Chibinang at night. Don't forget that the shops, that the houses have been burned down in Garhwals. It belongs to your brothers and sisters. Remember this day, remember this time when you have that power to decide through your small little finger.
Em cần tụt về. Ủa, tụt lên không ai.